Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable the Windows Defender on your Windows 10 operating system. So first of all, what is Windows Defender? So Windows Defender is a free software which comes with Windows 10, and it's meant to be useful tool that prevents malware and harmful viruses coming to your device. So let's see how we can enable or disable Windows Defender. Now there are two ways of enabling or disabling Windows Defender on your Windows 10 operating system. The first one which I'm going to show you is the temporary way. So let's see this temporary way first of all. So what you need to do is you need to just click on your Windows icon here and then click on the settings option. And once this settings option opens, you need to go to the updates and security. So just click on updates and security and then go to Windows security. So just click on this option which says Windows security, and then you will be able to see this option which says virus and threat protection. So I'm going to just click on this option, and once you click on this option, you have the possibility to scan your Windows 10 operating system, and that will find out the number of threats on your Windows 10 operating system. So here what you need to do is you need to click on this manage settings option. So I'm going to just click on the manage settings option, and then we can turn on or off the real-time protection. So right now you can see this real-time protection is on my Windows 10 operating system. So when I turn it off, then Windows 10 Defender will be off on my Windows 10 operating system. So you can see real-time protection is off, leaving your device vulnerable. So this is how you can turn off the Windows 10 Defender on your Windows 10 operating system. And if you want to enable it, you can just click on this toggle button once again, and it will enable your Windows 10 Defender once again. Now this solution is a temporary solution. So when you disable your Windows Defender using this settings, then whenever you restart your Windows operating system, this Windows Defender will be automatically be enabled. So when you restart your system, it will go to this setting by default. So this is kind of a temporary solution. So if you are looking for a permanent solution, what we are going to do is, so I'm going to just minimize this here. So now let's see how we can turn off Windows Defender permanently using registry. So for that, what you need to do is you need to just go to your search bar here and then search for regedit. Okay, so just write regedit or registry edit, and this result will pop up here. Okay, so this result is called registry edit or regedit. So I'm going to just click on this option now and then click on yes, and this is going to open this kind of interface. So here what you need to do is you need to click on H key local machine, and then you need to click on software, and then you need to click on the policy options under software, and then you need to click on Microsoft, and then you will be able to see this option. Let me just make it a little bit bigger. So you will be able to see this option which says Windows Defender, and on the right hand side you will be able to see one file which is called default. So just select Windows Defender here and then click on the right hand side where you see a default file here. So I'm going to just right click here, which will show you this option, new, and then I'm going to choose this option which says dword 32-bit value. Okay, so make sure you select this option which says dword 32-bit value, and then name your file as disable anti-spyware. So just make sure that the spelling of this disable anti-spyware is exactly same as I have written here with capital D, capital A and capital S. So now once you have created this disable anti-spyware file, you can just click on this file and this is going to open this kind of option. So what you need to do is you just need to change this value from 0 to 1. Okay, so when you change this value from 0 to 1, your Windows Defender will be turned off. Okay, so I'm going to just click on OK. Now once you have created this disable anti-spyware file and then changed this value to 1, what you need to do is you need to restart your computer. So I'm going to just restart my Windows operating system. So just restart it. So now I have restarted my Windows 10 operating system and let's see if this Windows Defender is turned off or not in this case. So I will go to the settings here and then update and security and then Windows security and then virus and threat protection. And then under virus and threat protection settings, I will just click on manage settings. And now I can see this real-time protection is permanently off. So whenever you restart your Windows 10 operating system, this will be turned off and it will not be enabled when you restart your Windows 10 operating system. Now let's try to enable this from this option. So I'm going to just click on here and then click on yes. And you can see it's not possible from here. So I will try once again. You can see I just clicked here, but it's not possible to enable this option once again from this setting. So now if you want to enable the Windows 10 Defender on your Windows 10 operating system, you need to follow the same step as you have done for the disabling of the Windows Defender. So once again, just type in the search bar regedit. So I'm going to just write regedit and once again I'm going to just click on registry editor and then yes, and then you can see you can go to the H key local machine once again and then software once again, and then under the software you need to go to the policies once again and then you need to go to the Microsoft and then Windows Defender. Now to enable that Defender, I will just create that file once again. So new and then dword 32-bit value and then with the same name disable anti-spyware, I will create this new file and then click on this file and then the default value here should be 0. So I will just click OK. And once again, I need to restart my Windows 10 operating system. So still when I go here in the settings, this option is off. So I'm going to just restart my computer once again. So after the restart, I will once again go to the Windows Defender settings, update security, Windows security, virus and threat protection, and then under virus and threat protection settings, manage settings. And now you can see this Windows Defender setting is again off. Okay, so this is how you can turn off or on your Windows Defender on your Windows 10 operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.